Hello, it's Alfonso Moreno from Sell and Forget Online Trading Academy, and I am here to analyze Brent crude futures. I've done this analysis many times in the past on my previous YouTube channel, but YouTube decided to eliminate it because, well, it's a long story. My channel was hacked, so I'm starting afresh with a new channel. So this analysis was mentioned many months ago when price was about there, like many, okay? So we have like this strong imbalance on the monthly time frame sitting at $77, okay? For Brent crude oil futures on the monthly time frame. Remember, this is the monthly time frame, okay? So this is a very strong imbalance here. Look at the price action, okay? Very strong. And here, this pink candle there, I believe that Ukraine invasion by Russia happened about there in February 2022. And then everybody thought that crude oil prices were going to go to infinity and beyond, but instead it dropped more than 40%. And where did it drop to? To that strong imbalance in the monthly, which has been playing out ever since. So if you are unaware of these imbalances, you won't be able to take advantage of these movements, obviously. And here there were many trade ideas on the smaller time frames, because you can use smaller time frames. You can scalp an intraday Brent crude futures and oil and gas stocks. And if you have the help of these strong imbalance on the monthly time frame, which you probably will not be aware of because you will not look at this big time frame, the highest or the top time frame or the larger time frame that most traders will look at is the daily time frame, daily. So you will miss this, okay? Probably you might be going short on the way down because of bad news and the Ukraine invasion, the war, all the sanctions to Russia and all that kind of stuff, okay? So the imbalance on the monthly has taken control several times, and then every time that it was reached, it rallied strongly again and again. And now in April 2024, we have like price over there. We also have these strong bearish impulse over there. So going along right now, it's a little bit aggressive, okay? Because if this movement replicates, or at least half of it, it will bring Brent crude oil prices even lower, which is great for me at least. Will be cheaper to fill up my car's tank, okay? And good for the world too, okay? So if we take a look at the smaller time frames, on the weekly, we also have imbalances. Okay, we've got an imbalance there. I was mentioned on Sell and Forget Online Trading Academy and also in previous videos. And every time prices reach that imbalance on the weekly, it has reacted. Okay, and the last time was at the end or the beginning of 2024. Okay, so now if we keep on going to smaller time frames, then we've got the daily. Now the daily has got these here. Oh, that's a 4 hour, sorry. I thought it was a daily. Okay, we've got a new daily demand level, like sitting lower there. Okay, so that's where Brent crude oil prices could drop in the following days. Okay, so if you are aware of these bigger time frame imbalances, then you can take advantage of a smaller time frame moves, and you can use Brent crude oil futures, smaller time frames, to take advantage of these expected movements, as you can see on the daily and the smaller time frames. And if you go even lower, if you're doing the smaller time frames, to go to the 1 hour, for example. Okay, so on the 1 hour, we've got one imbalance there that took control this morning, I believe. Yeah, like 4 or 5 hours ago. Now it's like 8 a.m. in Spain, so probably in the middle of the night at 4 a.m. more or less, this imbalance took control on the 1 hour. Okay, if you are long on this one, you should be managing it, because look what's going on right now in the last hour. So this is what usually happens. Okay, so when price has been rallying a lot based on the strength and the uptrend that we can see. Oops, I clicked the wrong one. Where did it go? One sec. Okay, there we are again. So we've got the monthly, okay? So if you are aware of this, imbalance, then you can use smaller time frames like the 1 hour, even lower, like 15 minutes, and you can do intraday, swing trading too, for Brent futures based on the strength of this imbalance and the expectancy, based also on the supply and demand analysis and price action analysis. Then this is very similar to on crude oil, CL futures, and other related oil and gas stocks. So it was a great moment to buy oil and gas stocks when price has been reached these imbalances in the market, because usually when this happens, when Brent crude oil starts to rally, many other oil and gas stocks, exploration, drilling, marketing, and all that, they will start rallying with it. Okay, so we've got this imbalance in control. Let's see if it provides us with a pullback and new imbalances, and it continues to rally. So if you like this kind of videos, click on the subscribe button below and like it, and I will know what you like or what you don't, so you can help me record other similar videos. Have a great day.